Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix an error that is FortniteClient Win64 Shipping.exe bad image. Fortnite is either not designed to run on Windows or it contains an error and the error status is 0xc0000428. So if you're receiving this error code whenever you launch Fortnite on your Windows computer, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to restart your computer. Sometimes a simple restart takes care of the problem. So restart your computer and after the system restart, launch the game. Next step is to do a clean installation of your graphics driver. So if you have NVIDIA card, go to NVIDIA website. If you have AMD card, go to AMD website. I'm showing for NVIDIA. On NVIDIA website, select your graphic card. Make sure that you select your graphic card over here and then select the right operating system. So if you have Windows 10, select Windows 10. If you have Windows 11, select Windows 11. Now click on Start Search. Scroll down. Over here you can see GeForce Game Ready driver. This is the latest one right now. So click on Get Download. Click on Download now. Now once the download is complete, run the exe file and then you will see this screen. Click on Agree and Continue and then put a check on the box which says Custom and then click on Next and then put a check on the box which says Perform a clean installation and then click on Next. Now let the installation complete. Now after the installation your driver should be up to date. Now the next step is to uninstall graphics driver and then perform a clean installation once again. To uninstall, go to Start menu, click on Settings, go to Apps, go to Apps and Features. Now in the search, find your graphics card driver. So scroll down and find your graphics card driver. So see in the list, in my case it's NVIDIA graphics. So you can select your NVIDIA or AMD graphics over here and then click on Uninstall. This is just an example. Uninstall your graphic driver. Now after you uninstall, again do a clean installation of your graphics driver. Now the next step is to verify the game file. For this, go to Epic Games Launcher and then click on the game, click on this three dot and then click on Verify. So click on Manage option first and then over here you can see the Verify Files option. Click on Verify and after the verification, launch the game. Next step is to repair Easy Anti-Cheat. For this, go to the game installation folder. So if the game is installed in C drive, then go to C drive, then open program files x86. You might find Epic Games folder. You might see the game over here, or you go to program files. Over here you will find your Epic Games and inside that folder you will find Fortnite folder. In my case the game is installed in E drive. So open the Fortnite folder. Now open Fortnite game folder. Now open binaries folder, then open Win64 folder, then find Easy Anti-Cheat. So open Easy Anti-Cheat folder. Over here you can see Easy Anti-Cheat setup file. Make a right click, then click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes to allow. And then over here you can see a repair option. So click on Repair Service. Now click on Finish and then launch the game. Still you're facing the problem, then make a right click once again, then click on Run as Administrator, click on Yes, and then click on Uninstall. Now again click on Install Easy Anti-Cheat. Finish and now launch the game. Do the same thing with BattlEye service. So go back and over here you can see BattlEye. Open this folder. Here you can see BE service exe file. Make a right click, then click on Run as Administrator, click on Yes to allow. And now launch the game. Still you're facing the problem and then uninstall BattlEye. So click on it, make a double click, click on Yes, click on Yes to allow. Now once uninstall, now install BattlEye. So make a double click and click on Yes to allow and now launch the game. Now the next step is to run Fortnite as an administrator. For this, again open Fortnite folder, Fortnite game folder, binaries, Win64. Scroll down. Over here you can see all these exe files. So make a right click on all the file one by one and check which one is working fine for you. So make a right click and then click on Run as Administrator. If that does not work, you can try all the exe files. So make a right click, then click on Run as Administrator and then check. Now still you are facing the problem. In that case, perform Cleanboot. For this, type in system configuration in Windows search box and then click on system configuration. Now go to the services tab and then put a check on the box which says hide all Microsoft services. So put a check over here first, then click on disable all. So make sure that you put a check over here, then click on disable all, then click on apply, click on OK. You will see the restart option, restart your computer, and then launch the game. Next step is to run this command. So type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt app, then click on run as administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now let the scan complete. Now this scan will take some time. So once this scan is 100% complete, run the second scan. So copy this command, then hit the enter key. On the same window, paste the command, hit the enter key. And once this scan is 100% complete, now restart your computer. And after the system restart, launch the game. Now the next step is to install Visual C++ file. For this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down here, you can see Visual Studio 2015, 17, 19, and 22. Install x86 and x64 version. So click on both the exe file one by one. And then run this exe file. And then install x86 version. Now click on x64 file and then run this exe file. Click on install or repair. So when you run this, you might see the install option, repair option. Click on repair or install and then restart. Once the installation is complete, restart your computer and then launch the game. Now the next step is to run this PowerShell command. This command is provided in the video description. So copy this command. Type in PowerShell in Windows search box. Make a right click on Windows PowerShell and then click on run as administrator. Make sure that you're opening this file as an opening Windows PowerShell as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now paste the command over here. Hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. And during this process, you will see some errors in red color. So if you see any errors in red color, just ignore it and let the process complete. Now once this is done, restart your computer and then launch the game. Now the next step is to uninstall Bonjour. Now if this is installed on your computer, if this is not installed, you can skip this step. If this is installed, uninstall Bonjour. For this, go to the start menu, then click on settings. Now go to apps and then apps and feature. And then find Bonjour. So over here you can see Bonjour over here. So you can click on it. In Windows 10, simply click on it and then you will see the uninstall option. In Windows 11, click on this three dot, then click on uninstall. Uninstall. You can uninstall both Bonjour SDK. So if you don't have Bonjour, then you can skip this step. So uninstall Bonjour from the computer. You can uninstall it from the control panel as well. So type in control panel in Windows search box and then click on uninstall a program. And then from here you can uninstall Bonjour. Select it, then click on uninstall. Select it, then click on uninstall. After the uninstall, restart your computer and then launch the game. Next step is to update Windows to the latest version. Make sure your Windows is up to date. This is important. So go to settings and then click on Windows Update or now click on Windows Update or Update and Security. Then click on Check for Update. Once all the updates are installed, restart your computer and then launch the game. Next step is to run Update Troubleshooter. For this, go to the Start menu, then click on Settings. Now if you have Windows 11, click on System and then click on Troubleshoot. Now if you have Windows 10, click on Update and Security, then click on Troubleshoot. Now click on Additional Troubleshooters or other troubleshooters, and then here you can see Windows Update. In Windows 10, simply click on it, then you will see the option Run the Troubleshooter. In Windows 11, click on Run over here. Once the troubleshoot is complete, restart your computer and then update your Windows and then launch the game. Next step is to reset Windows Update components. For this, copy all these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. So copy the command till here. Now open Notepad on your computer. Type in Notepad in Windows search box and then open Notepad. Paste all the command in Notepad and then go to File. Then click on Save As and then you can set it to desktop. You can save the file to desktop. Name this file as wufix.bat and then for save as type, select all files and then click on save. Now go to desktop, make a right click on wufix file and then click on run as administrator. Make sure that you're opening this file as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now first of all, it will stop all the Windows Update services and then it will run some scans. Now there are a couple of scans, so the scan will take some time. Once the scan is complete, it will restart all the Windows Update services. Now once done, restart your computer and then update your Windows and then launch the game. Now the next step is to use media creation tool to update your windows. Now if nothing is working, you can use media creation tool to update your windows.
If you have Windows 10, copy this link. If you have Windows 11, copy this link. Windows 10 users, go to this website. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download tool now and then run this exe file. Then you will see the screen. Click on accept. By default, upgrade this PC now would be selected. Click on next. It will start downloading Windows 10 along with the latest update. Now this process will take some time. Now once the download is complete, before the installation, you will see this screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So click on install, and once the installation is complete, log into your computer. Now for Windows 11 users, go to this website. Here also you will find media creation tool. Click on download now and then run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. Now this will load Windows 11 media creation tool. Now click on accept. By default, Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file, then click on next. You can save the location. You can set the location as desktop and then click on save over here. Now once the download is complete, click on finish and then go to desktop. Find Windows ISO file. Make a double click on Windows ISO file. Then run the setup file. Make a double click on setup file. Click on yes to allow. This will load Windows 11 now. And here you can see install Windows 11. Click on next. It will check for update. Then click on accept. Again, it will check for update. Now before the installation, you will see the screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. Click on install. After the installation, log into your computer.
Now the last step is to uninstall and reinstall Fortnite. For this, go to Epic Games Launcher, go to library, and then click on the game. So click on this three dot and then click on uninstall. Now after the uninstall, delete the game folder from the game installation folder, then restart your computer, and after the system restart, reinstall the game, and after the reinstall, launch the game. So one of the steps should help you to fix this error. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.